Okay, so we'll again start with एक मिनट किधर गया? Okay, so we'll again start with decurvient tenosynovitis. So decurvent tenosynovitis, the issue is there is two tendons which is going through your radial styloid area. Okay, within a tendon sheath. With wear and tear, these tendons will increase, or there would be inflammatory issues. Okay, and there would be pain. Okay. So which are the tendons? The tendons known as bela. Okay, champa bela का फूल होते हैं. So BELA. So B is abductor, L for longus. So abductor longus है, ठीक है. E is extensor, B is brevis. So extensor brevis and abductor longus. So you just remember it's totally MCQ basis. Okay. Now so there is a test on a Finkelstein test. Okay. So Finkelstein test बोलते हैं. How you remember Finkelstein? I don't know यार. So Finkelstein test में क्या करता है? So this is the area of pain. Okay. So this is the area of pain. So consider this. This is your tendon. Okay. So consider this is your tendon going on. कुछ issues हो गया. Just wait. So consider this your tendon going on. Okay. Whenever you stretch the tendon area. Okay. So this is the tendon and this is the sheath. As soon as you stretch that area, the sheath will be more tight. Okay. And that will rise to pain. So that is ulnar deviation of your clenched fist produce pain. Okay. So this is the clenched fist where you put thumb inside your fist and you try to extend it. You try to extend that area, or only ulnar deviation. You are doing ulnar deviation. So you try to do ulnar deviation. Even in your hand, you feel there would be some sort of stretching area. Okay. And in patients which have in compromised that tendon sheath, the pain would rise. Okay. That is known as Finkelstein test. Okay. Most commonly क्या होता है? Most commonly it is in females. Okay. Most commonly females who are like regular household work. Okay, they are doing. So in those females, this tendon sheath um, got tight more. Okay. Now so the obviously it's all related to the sheath. Okay. So there is inflammation, there is entrapment. So the treatment would be always anti-inflammatory. So you give NSAIDs, you give hydrocortisone. NSAIDs हो गए, hydrocortisones हो गए. Now operation is dividing your sheath. Okay. No, no. Okay. Sorry यार, I think कुछ और चल रहा है. Just wait. Uh, some issue. Okay. So we will. So this is the decurvent tenosynovitis. You know this Bela. Okay. Now this is a Finkelstein test where you do ulnar deviation or you stretch that area that will give rise to pain. Okay, that is Finkelstein test. Now most commonly middle aged females में होता है जहाँ degeneration होता है tear of that tendon and sheath. You that area would be palpable as nodule. Okay, so it will thick like a nodule. Obviously the injection would be hydrocortisone, that anti-inflammatory, and divide that sheath. So if you divide that sheath, so obviously वो relax हो जाएगा. So if you divide this sheath, the tendons would be free and there would be no pain. So you divide this sheath, the tendon would be free and there would be no pain. So the treatment would be operation would be dividing the sheath. Okay. Now so this is something which is commonly seen. Okay. So what is this? This is known as Duptrin contracture. Okay. So what do you mean by contracture? Contracture means anything which is contracted is known as contracture. Duptrin is a scientist who had invented this. So it's known as Duptrin contracture. So you just remember this figure. Okay. So this is a ring finger. Okay. This is a ring finger, and you see there is a thickened nodule. Okay. So you see this. Just appreciate these things. So you see, this is a thickened layer. Okay, so this is a aponeurosis, palmar aponeurosis. You see this straight, and this is a flexion. Okay, so this is a PIP flexion and DIP extension. Okay, so this is a thickened thing in ring finger with PIP flexion and DIP extension. You remember this? Okay, so this is thickening and shortening of aponeurosis. So ये क्या होता है? Palmar aponeurosis होता है. This is thickening and shortening. Okay, the flexion is at MCP joint. So you see this MCP. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Metacarpal phalangeal. So this all metacarpal आता है. This is phalangeal joint. So MCP joint पे flexion होता है. Okay. Sometimes PIP joint पे भी flexion होता है. Okay. So MCP and PIP joint पे flexion होता है and rest is extension. Okay. So see this. This is a MCP joint पे flexion हो रहा है. यहाँ भी PIP पे flexion हो रहा है. So flexion occurs at MCP joint most commonly and then PIP joint. Rest of this DIP joint is in extension. Most commonly ring finger में होता है, males में होता है. Okay. So males ring finger, you try to simulate this type of what is it? This type of attitude of your finger, and you will remember what is Dupuytren contracture for lifetime. Now what is etiology? Okay, so yeah, actually this sign is very what is offending sign. Okay, okay, this is a offending sign. Okay, so it is already happening in the males who are offended. So it's males who have AIDS, smoking, alcoholic, epileptic, so all male character, all typical offending male characters. Okay, bilateral disease होता है. Earliest sign क्या होगा? The ring finger base पे nodule होगा. The nodule is a characteristic of the thickening of this. Okay, it can involve ring or the little finger, but most commonly ring finger में होता है. MCP and PIP का flexion होता है and rest extension होता है. This all etiology. Okay. Now, so association of this, so it is a type of what is contracture or fibrosis. Okay, so it is also associated with many other fibrosis in the body. Okay, so this is a disease known as Peyronie's disease. Okay, in which there is a corpus spongiosa or cavernosa thickening. Okay, तो इसमें क्या होता है? फाइब्रोसिस हो जाता है, कॉर्पस कैवर्नोसा का फाइब्रोसिस हो जाता है. So this is known as Peyronie's disease. So because the fibrosis is very common. Okay, so it's like fibrosis उधर हो रहा है and हाथ में भी हो रहा है. The other problem is Garrot's pad. Okay, so ये क्या होता है? ये अपने नकल बोलते हैं इसको. So this is area is knuckle. So knuckle pads बोलते हैं और Garrot pads बोलते हैं. Knuckle और Garrot pads. It's a part of fibrosis system. तो ये fibrosis हो जाता है and it is associated with the Dupuytren contraction. The other thing is this is ladder house. So ladder house क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ladder पे चढ़ते चढ़ते if you are walking on ladder, so there would be plantar. यहाँ पे इस एरिया में there is a nodule. Okay, so this is ladder house disease बोलते हैं. यहाँ भी fibrosis हो जाता है. So these are the association of Dupuytren contracture. The best way is to remember is कि Dupuytren contracture में there is a fibrosis, there is a contracture. So body में कहीं भी fibrosis contracture होगा, so they all are intermingle, all are related. Why the fibrosis and contracture are occurring? Because male smokers, AIDS, TB, epilepsy, phenytoin, everything wrong with the male guy. Okay, so Garrot pads, Peyronie's disease, and ladder house. These all are associated with Dupuytren contracture. All are associated with fibrosis. All are associated with contractures. Okay. Now the treatment is, if the treatment is simple, if you don't have any issue, of fibrosis, तो रहने दो, observe, don't do anything. If the patient have problem, you know, I need this hand to be straight. Okay. So what you will do? You will remove this fascia. So क्या करते हैं? What you do is we cut this fascia. So ये क्या करते हैं? ये fascia को, यहाँ का fascia को cut कर देते हैं. So इसको बोलते हैं fasciotomy. जो fascia को cut करना उसको बोलते हैं fasciectomy. तो fascia को cut कर देते हैं. Now it will become straight. Okay, जैसे fascia cut किया उसको straight किया. So इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Regional. एक area में problem हो रहा है तो सिर्फ इसी problem को cut करते हैं. So this is known as regional fasciectomy. So it is a regional. So it's not like पूरे whole hand में कर रहे हैं. You are doing at a very small area, regional or subtotal palmar fasciectomy, where you cut the fascia and you will make it straight. Okay, sometimes during you are making straight, so it's a difficult to close. Okay, because क्या होता है कि ये contracture रहता है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा contracture रहता है. So closing में issue होता है. Okay, so if anywhere in the body, if the closing, there is a problem of closure. Okay, the skin closure में issue होता है. So there is a closure known as Z plastic. So you see this Z type of plastic. You see this Z plastic. So what we do take incision on this way. Okay. So we usually took incision. So इसमें incision कैसा लेते हैं? So we took incision like this way. ऐसा 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 ऐसा. Okay. So you take incision in a Z pattern. So Z pattern में हम incision लेते हैं. And then the closure is easy. Okay. So closure इसमें कैसे करते हैं? Z patterns closure करते हैं. So anywhere in body, if there is, it's not Z pattern is specific to this. If anywhere in the body, if you cannot close the skin, you can do this Z plasty बोलते हैं. So now this is a ganglion. Okay, so ganglion क्या होता है? So ganglion क्या होता है? Ganglion is this. So many of you have this ganglion. Okay, small or big depending upon. So many of us have ganglion, small swelling on our dorsum of wrist. Okay, it is between the scapholunate. So कैसा होता है? Wrist आता है. So this is your radius. ये radius ऐसा bone है. ये अल्ना है. यहाँ पे radius के stellate के बाद scaphoid आता है. यहाँ lunate आता है. Okay, तो scapholunate इन दोनों के पीछे से. So behind this junction, behind this scapholunate, यहाँ से swelling grow करता है. Okay, this is known as ganglion. So behind scapholunate ligament और capsule से एक growth होता है. This is known as ganglion. So it can be from capsule, ligament or sheath. So you never know कहाँ से आ रहा है, but the area is behind scapholunate, behind wrist. So ganglion बोलते हैं. So ganglion, mainly people who are going to marry or something like that. So they usually come ki swelling. Oh, now I am bit in a hurry to remove it before my marriage or something. Or sometimes it gives you pain. Okay, so that time only 2 times you have to treat it. One time you have a pain, second time you have to going for marriage or something. So what is the treatment? Obviously, it is a cyst. It is like a ganglionic cyst. इसको cyst बोलते हैं. There is a water or there is a fluid inside. So either you aspirate it by syringe or you remove as such it on. Okay, so ऐसा en block ऐसा पूरा remove करते हैं ganglion cyst को. You operate, you remove this as a whole. Okay, so excision करते हैं. Now, so uh, till now it's okay. Now we'll go ahead. What is synovial joint? So what is bursa? So bursa, what is that? एक bone and tendon और ligament के बीच का cushion is bursa. Okay. Now what is synovial joint? So this is your joint. Okay. Joint पे क्या होता है? Cartilage होता है. Okay. Cartilage के पास एक lining होता है. Which cartilage is this? This is hyaline cartilage बोलते हैं. इस टाइप के cartilage को बोलते हैं hyaline cartilage. साइनोवियल ज्वाइंट होता है, लाइनिंग बाय साइनोवियल मेम्ब्रेन होता है. साइनोवियल मेम्ब्रेन से लाइन होता है, साइनोवियल फ्लूइड रहता है इसके अंदर. ठीक है. सो आर्टिकुलर कार्टिलेज जो होते हैं, जो नी ज्वाइंट में होते हैं, दे आर हाइलीन टाइप ऑफ कार्टिलेज. ओके, सो हाइलीन कार्टिलेज पाया जाता है. नाउ दिस साइनोवियम में यहाँ पे फ्लूइड सेक्रेट होता है. दे आर टाइप, दो तरह के सेल्स होते हैं, टाइप ए एंड टाइप बी. ओके, तो टाइप ए सेल्स एंड टाइप बी सेल्स. तो टाइप ए इज ईटिंग. ओके, तो टाइप ए का काम क्या होता है? फैगोसिटिक काम होता है. So anything which is wrong inside synovium, they go and eat it. So phagocytic A work है. B का काम है secretion of fluid. So B is useful, A is useless. B का काम है mainly fluid secrete करना, A का काम है phagocytic. Okay, so it's MCQ based. Okay, A is phagocytic and B is secretory. Now, so we'll learn about what is articular cartilage. So what do you mean by articular cartilage? जो articular जो synovial joint होते हैं, like knee joint, so they have articular cartilage. Every bone के पास ऐसा covering होता है cartilage का. So this bone have a covering of the cartilage. So this ये cartilage का एक covering है bone के ऊपर. So this is articular cartilage जो articulate करता है दूसरे bone के साथ. So articular cartilage means the cartilage which articulates with the other bone or other ligament. Cartilage is articular cartilage. So importance इसका याद रखना. So articular cartilage is a hyaline cartilage. Okay, and ये याद रखो, there is no, so it is a type of waste cartilage. Okay, so there is no nerve, no blood vessel, no perichondrium. Okay, no regenerative potential. Okay, so hyaline cartilage is useless. So ऐसा bone है, you have this bone and you have this cartilage. Okay, this cartilage है ऐसा. So ये cartilage जो है, this is a useless cartilage. Okay, why it is a useless cartilage? because it's neither have nerve supply, neither have blood vessel supply, neither can regenerate itself, neither have perichondrium. Perichondrium is cartilage का बाहर का layer is perichondrium. Okay, so there is no, it's a useless cartilage. Okay, the hyaline cartilage, articular cartilage, useless cartilage. ठीक है, इतना बस याद. How do this यहाँ पे जो cartilage cells होते हैं वो कैसे फिर जिंदा रहते हैं? By diffusion they give nutrients, so they take nutrients by diffusion. Okay, बस इतना पढ़ो, don't go ahead. Okay, it's a boring thing, but for MCQ you have to. So because of this cartilage will come to osteoarthritis. So क्या होता है? This articular cartilage is useless cartilage. Okay, it cannot have regenerative potential. So इसलिए जैसे जैसे age होगा and it going into degeneration, it will never regenerate back. Okay, so you even a 50-year-old female who have this degenerative means wear and tear cartilage हो गया, joint का हो गया, so they will never return back, they will never regenerate. Either it's your mother or my mother, your father, my father, you have to believe that it will never regenerate. एक बार cartilage गया so गया, you cannot regenerate that type of cartilage. Okay, so osteoarthritis is a aging issue. Okay, geriatric issue है, wear and tear होता है, there is a non inflammatory. Inflammatory नहीं होता है because it's a wear and tear process, so it is a non inflammatory. Okay, osteophytes का क्या होता है? Osteophytes मतलब एक new bone formation होता है. So like because of wear and tear there is a new bone formation. Okay, so if you see, if you ask somebody, तो लोग बोलते हैं हड्डी में एक हड्डी बढ़ गई है, मेरी एक हड्डी बढ़ गई है, some type of sort of growth happening. Okay, because of you can relate osteophytes as a what is calcification. Okay, so calcification में क्या होता है? In ligament or tendon there are calcium deposit root which hardens. Okay, जो ऐसे hard हो जाता है. So osteophytes are some that sort of thing. Okay, so osteophytes मतलब एक degenerative new bone का formation होता है, that is known as osteophytes. Okay, age के साथ osteoarthritis होता है. मेन जॉइंट क्या होता है? नी जॉइंट, हिप जॉइंट होता है. ये स्मॉल जॉइंट्स आर स्पेयर्ड. सो जॉइंट स्पेयर्ड में कौन से स्पेयर्ड होता है? तो जो स्मॉल जॉइंट्स होता है जो नॉन वेट बियरिंग है, नॉन वेट बियरिंग मींस रिस्ट, एल्बो, एमसीपी, एंकल, they are non weight bearing. Okay, so they are mainly spared. Okay, which are the most commonly involved? तो hip है, knee है, spine है. So in the axially आप जाएंगे तो ये सब है, hip, knee, spine. First metatarsophalangeal, ठीक है, फर्स्ट मेटाटार्सोफैलेंजियल जॉइंट होता है जो थंब जॉइंट होता है. तो समटाइम्स इफ यू आर यूजिंग योर मोबाइल, ओके, इफ यू आर यूजिंग योर मोबाइल continuous doing your WhatsApp and all that, so sometimes you feel your thumb is giving you pain. That is a pain of osteoarthritis. Okay, so because of the your movement of the continuous movement of your thumb, the movement is at the MTP joint, metatarsophalangeal joint, so that gives you pain. That is a pain of osteoarthritis. So be aware that it's a pain of osteoarthritis, or don't use your thumb too much, so that it will give you issues in later or half of your life. Okay, so first MTP joint का भी involvement होता है. Then these are the other joint which are involved. Okay, DIP, PIP and all that. So ये क्या? हाँ, so there is two type of nodes. Okay, the nodes होते हैं. I will come to. So osteoarthritis में there is two type of nodes. So you remember the name and I will tell you how. So one is, this is Bouchard nodes and this is Heberden node. Okay, so B and H. Okay, so it's very easy. So Bouchard's nodes and Heberden's node. So B पहले आता है alphabetically. If you go, B will come first and then come H, A B C D E F G H में. So Bouchard nodes जो होता है that is PIP joint का problem होता है. Heberden's जो होता है that is DIP joint का problems होता है. So these are the arthritic joint. Okay, so PIP involved होता है, DIP involved होता है. So PIP को Bouchard's nodes बोलते हैं. You have the swelling in the PIP joint, that is B is first, H will come later, so that is DIP joint. So Bouchard's nodes, DIP joint. So osteoarthritis में which bones are involved? आपके hip joint involved है, knee joint involved है, spine involved है, PIP joint involved है, DIP joint involved है, thumb का first metatarsophalangeal joint involved है. Okay, so all these joints are involved. So this is knee OA. So many of you guys send pictures of your relative or something. These are what is osteoarthritis and what is this. So I will tell you what is osteoarthritis. So see this. So this normally क्या होता है, normally see this is the, ये space होता है. So normal, if your normal knee होता है ना, so you have normal knee ऐसा होता है. This is your tibia and this is your femur. So this इतना gap होता है दोनों side. So both side the equal, the gap is equal. Okay, between two bones the gap is equal. इतना gap है, इधर भी इतना gap रहेगा. In initial stages like 20-30 साल में. Okay. Along with age, एक side का joint कम होते जाता है. So this side the joint start narrowing. Okay. So you see this space, ये दो बोन के बीच का स्पेस देखो और ये दो बोन के बीच का स्पेस देखो. So ये अगर 0.1 सेंटीमीटर है तो दिस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. So medial, तो ये lateral, ये fibula हो गया. Okay. So this is medial side. So this medial joint space will decrease, lateral is okay. Okay. So this is known as osteoarthritis. So osteoarthritis में क्या होता है कि joint space कम हो जाता है. So this is known as joint space decreasing. Okay. So एक side का, one side bone, so between two bones there are cushions. Cushions क्या होता है, meniscus होते हैं या cartilages होते हैं. This connection with wear and tear this cartilage will degenerate. So layer by layer पतले होते जाते हैं. And then you have this bone on this bone. As soon as this bone comes on this bone, it start paining. Okay. So this is known as osteoarthritis. Okay. So osteoarthritis बोलते हैं. It is a wear and tear and you cannot regenerate it. The cartilage cannot be regenerated. I already told you articular cartilage is the waist cartilage, no blood vessels, no nerve supply, nothing, no regeneration. So the main feature of knee OA or osteoarthritis, if earliest is joint space narrowing. So how will you know? So you see the both side का joint space देखने का. You see this side joint space is decreased, so there is a medial joint osteoarthritis. Okay. What others you will see? So there is a subchondral sclerosis. Subchondral means chondrum के नीचे. So यहाँ जो articular cartilage होता है, you cannot see a cartilage or on X-ray. So you believe there is some sort of cartilage, बहुत thin है, उसके नीचे subchondral area. You will find the sclerosis. Sclerosis means white, means more bony formation होता है. So see this white is subchondral sclerosis. So in a sclerosis looks more white on X-ray. Okay, so you will see sclerosis. Then you will find some cyst का formation. So you see this cyst formation होता है यहाँ पे. This is cyst formation. Cyst is एक cavity बन जाएगा bone के अंदर, ऐसा जो cavity बन जाएगा, hollow space बन जाएगा because of destruction. So cyst बन सकता है. Then osteophytes are, I had already told you, new bone formation. So if you see osteocytes इसमें नहीं दिखा है, यहाँ पे देखो एक नया bone ऐसे side में निकला हुआ है, ये निकला हुआ है. So एक ऐसा bone growth होता है, ठीक है. But these bone are useless bone because degenerative bone होता है. It's not a young bone which is very helpful. It is a degenerative bone. So osteophytes बोलते हैं उसको. And joint deformity होता है. So these all are characteristic of old OA knee. So OA knee में क्या क्या characteristic होता है? We'll again read it. Okay. So the first thing you will be joint space. So see this joint space and this joint space. तो ये joint space इतना बड़ा है, ये बहुत पतला हो जाता है, ठीक है. Chondrum के नीचे you will see this white lines. So these are sclerotic lines. White, more sclerotic lines. So more subchondral sclerosis. You will see this black, white translucent area, the black translucent area. It is a cyst formation. Cyst बन गया, sclerosis हो गया, joint space कम हो गया. The new bone formation. These are osteophytes. Joint deform हो सकते हैं. So these are osteoarthritis. One more thing is whenever you don't use any joint, okay, whenever you don't use any joint or any muscles, your muscles or joint will go in atrophy. Okay. So this is a very common thing. Okay. So knee osteoarthritis patient क्या होता है कि they cannot sit cross-legged, they cannot sit cross-legged, or they cannot walk for a long time because after walking for a long time their knee will start getting them pain. Okay. Getting pain to them. Okay. So they avoid walking too much. Okay. So because of they are not walking, there would be obviously muscle atrophy. So which muscle comes around knee joint is this quadriceps. Okay. So quadriceps क्या होता है? चार muscle से बना रहता है. So quadriceps is this thigh muscle. So thigh, upper thigh के muscles होते हैं. So we do exercise for quadriceps. बोलते हैं quads कर रहे हैं and squats कर रहे हैं all that. So quadriceps is the anterior thigh muscle. So why it is known as quadriceps? Because it is formed of four muscles: vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, और भी दो है, I don't remember, medialis, lateralis, vastus oblique, और एक और कुछ है. So the most common, so quadriceps क्या होता है? Weak हो जाता है because you are not using your knee. So in quadriceps, which muscle is most commonly atrophy? So it is VMO, vastus medialis obliquus. So ये medial side का जो quadriceps रहेगा, वो involved होता है. तो ये याद रखना, any problem in the knee joint start medially. Okay, so every time if you have knee pain, I don't know whether you have I don't think at your age you can suffer from knee pain, but if you suffer from knee pain anytime, okay, while sitting or cross legging, you always feel the knee pain is always on the inside, the medial side. When you ask your mother or father, the problem is always on the medial side. Okay, so medial wala problem hota hai, medial joint space kam hota hai. See, this is fibula, this is medial. Okay, so because of medial joint space come, okay, so the muscle is affected is VMO, vastus medialis obliquus, VMO. Okay, so see, so ये देखो, ये this joint, you see this joint, so medial joint space एकदम खत्म हो गया. So this bone on this bone is on bone, bone on bone appearance, there is no cartilage in between. Lateral side you see there's some cartilage amount. So medial joint space is the most common affected. Okay, so affected earliest is the medial joint. The muscle affected is vastus medialis obliquus. Vastus medialis affect hoga, medial joint space kam hoga. Since it is a medial problem, and I had already told you how genu varus and valgus created. So this is, so normally if you see this is space, okay, ये space है ऐसा, अभी ये दबने वाला है. Okay, ये दबने वाला है. So the this bone will turn like this, so now it will turn like this, तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. Okay, so यहाँ पे space, so as soon as the space comes, so this, ये alignment पहले ऐसा था. Okay, now the alignment will go inside. Okay, so because of inside, the knee would be in varus position. So this is classical position of old females, genu varus. So genu varus is way most common in osteoarthritis. Medial joint space is most common in osteoarthritis. Vastus medialis obliquus is most common in osteoarthritis. So genu varus, because of ये medial space गया, so laterally ये अंदर की तरफ आता है. Okay, I hope that you are understanding what I am saying. So what is the treatment? So till it is asymptomatic, observe. Okay, as soon as the pain is increasing too much, you have to do something. The cartilage will not grow. So if they have a uni compartment means, so see this is lateral compartment, itna bada space hai. Medial compartment there is no space. So what you do, you cut this bone, you cut this bone. Okay, so there is no bone to bone connect. So if there is no bone to bone connect, there is no pain. So the pain occurs when bone to bone connect is there. Okay, so any joint, okay, so you go in wrist joint, elbow joint, hip joint, there is a cartilage which prevents bone to bone connection, and that's why you don't have pain. As soon as there is a loss of cartilage, the bone attach on the bone or the bone connect to the different bone, it will start giving you pain. So unicompartmental arthritis means kya hua? This bone is bone on bone, so you cut this part, you cut this part, you apply some metallic implant. Okay, so there is no bone to bone connect. So this is known as unicompartmental arthritis. A compartment. So in knee joint there is three compartment. One is medial compartment. This is lateral compartment. Okay, and the third compartment is patella. Patella and patella ke piche. So medial compartment, lateral compartment, patellar compartment. So if there is a one compartment issue, you just treat that compartment. So it is a uni compartment replacement. So यहाँ पे हम लोग uni compartment replacement करते हैं. UKR बोलते हैं. Uni compartment knee replacement. यूनी कंपार्टमेंट नी का रिप्लेसमेंट. तो यंग एज में 55 से कम यंग एज में यू कैन डू दिस यूकेआर. इफ यू आर ओल्ड एनफ, 60-70 साल के है, ट्राई कंपार्टमेंटल है, नी पटेला का भी प्रॉब्लम है, मीडियल भी प्रॉब्लम है, लैटरल भी प्रॉब्लम है, सो यू कट होल बोन, ऐसा दोनों साइड कट करते हैं. यू अप्लाई सम टीबियल थिंग, मेटेलिक इम्प्लांट, you apply tibial implant and femur implant, and you do TKR. TKR is total knee replacement. Okay, so uni compartment knee replace, unicondylar knee replacement by total knee replacement. Okay, so इसको TKR बोलते हैं, total knee replacement. total क्यों बोलते हैं? दोनों कंपार्टमेंट का रिमूव कर दिया. ओके, यूनी यूकेआर क्यों बोलते हैं? यूनिकॉन्डाइलर, एक कॉन्डाइल या एक कंपार्टमेंट का नी रिप्लेस किया. ओके, now so these are the inflammatory arthritis. Okay, so these are the inflammatory. So I think osteoarthritis is all okay. Okay, Now these are the inflammatory arthritis. Okay, कितना slide हो गया? I think we should finish it. Okay.